Okay, guess where I'm at again. In the attic space, and the plot thickens. I drilled a new hole, fished a new line of snake up, and there it is. This is the first hole I drilled. That's the back corner of the tub. This is the front corner of the tub. I brought my 90 up, my 6-inch, and it's going to be a snug fit. Not that I'm going to use this right there, but I'm just saying it's going to be a snug fit for a 6-inch. So here's what I'm thinking. Get my shadow out of the way. Here's what I'm thinking. Do this. Put my takeoff right around there somewhere. Run it straight down. Remove this. Fill that. Seal it. Seal it real good. And just eliminate that. And have it run here. Have it run off of here. Do the takeoff there. Straight down. Or close to straight. I think that might be my best next option. Because that was already repaired. Several repairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see, probably more. But I'm liking that idea the best. And what I'm thinking about doing is using my connector to connect. No elbows. I know. Try to make it as a nice turn as possible with no elbow. Use a connector. Well, I take that back. The elbow I might use because that's going to stick out. So I have the takeoff, then the elbow, and then I think to connect the two, I have a connector. So I think that might be my plan, because I gotta get started, because I'm just spinning my wheels, and I don't like spinning my wheels because it's hot up here. It's a beautiful day, of course. And it's hot. So yeah, I got 2 masks on because I don't want to breathe any of this stuff in, and it's hot. I've been up here for, I don't know, too long already. So I think I'm going to drill my hole from top down, not from bottom up. Actually, what I might do is start the hole up here so I know where the pilot is, and then go back down and finish the hole downstairs. That's probably the smartest idea to do. But because that's just too tight. That's too tight of a space. That is too tight. Not to say that's tight, but that's, at least doesn't have all this bracing in the way. So, and I think I can run the takeoff right there, and I could be comfortable doing it, because that's important. Yeah, I know. Well, you'll see. So anyway, that's the latest plan, and I still haven't removed this from the system yet, and I want to do that. And I'm going to get the takeoff up here and get the drill up here and the hole saw up here, and before I want to cut once. I don't want to measure, cut once and measure 3 times. I want to measure like 10 times and cut once. So I want to make sure I get it right. All right, that's a quick little update. I'm going to beat feed it downstairs again, because it's, like I said, it's warm in here. So, and it's only 228. Oops, it's only 228. So there's going to be more to come. Stay tuned. It's going to be a ride.